In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product roadmap in Notion. We're going to build a roadmap that is simple, organized, and easy to update over time. This is a great way to keep your product plans visible, whether you're working alone, with a team, or sharing progress with customers. Start by creating a new Notion page that will act as the home for your product roadmap. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. This page will become the main place where you track what you want to build, what's already in progress, and what has been launched. Keeping everything in one dedicated space makes planning much easier and helps avoid scattered notes. Next, add a database to the page for your features, ideas, or roadmap items. This database is the core of your roadmap. Each entry should represent a single item, such as a feature request, improvement, or product idea. Using a database instead of a plain list gives you much more flexibility when it comes to sorting, filtering, and viewing your plans in different ways. After that, add the key properties you'll use to organize each roadmap item. Include properties like status, priority, timeline, owner, and category. These help you quickly understand what each item is, how important it is, who is responsible for it, and when it's expected to happen. Be consistent with how you fill these in, because that consistency makes the roadmap much more useful as it grows. Now, create the roadmap stages you want to use for status. Common stages include idea, planned, in progress, launched, and not now. These stages give your roadmap a clear structure and make it easy to communicate where each item stands. Keep the wording simple so anyone viewing the roadmap can understand it at a glance. For each roadmap item, add customer feedback or internal notes whenever relevant. This gives useful context and helps explain why a feature matters. Notes can also capture important decisions, background details, or reminders for later. This is especially helpful when priorities shift or when multiple people are involved in planning. Once your content is in place, use timeline, board, or table views to organize the roadmap. Each view serves a different purpose. A timeline view helps with scheduling, a board view is useful for tracking status, and a table view is great for detailed editing. You can switch between them depending on what you need. If needed, share the roadmap with your team or even customers. This can improve alignment, reduce confusion, and make expectations clearer. Finally, review and update the roadmap regularly. A roadmap should stay current, not become a static document. Frequent updates help keep priorities realistic and ensure everyone is working from the latest plan.